So, Bulldogs, for your addition subtraction practice this week, we're going to take a little bit of a different turn. We want you to have some fun and practice addition subtraction with board games that you have around the house. Well, if you know Miss Michaelbus, I don't have any kids, so I don't have any board games that are kid friendly at my house. All of them are at school, which is closed, so I can't get them. So I did the next best thing and I created my own board games. So I'm going to kind of talk to you about how to use existing board games at your house, or if you'd like to try what I did and make some board games on your own, you can do that also. So let's take a look.
So I'm adding a way to play Chutes and Ladders with math flashcards as a separate YouTube video, because I found a really good one that represents Chutes and Ladders very well. But here's another style game that I created. And so this one is really cool because your students have the math facts already in the boxes. All I did was start and I just made a row of boxes in any design that I wanted, which would be really easy for our first graders to do. I created a start and an end, and then I just wrote a bunch of different math facts, addition and subtraction, in all the boxes. And so the point of this game is your students will roll a die or two if you want to add a little bit extra addition to this. And then they'll move throughout the game board, and whatever place they land on, they have to solve that addition subtraction problem. If they cannot solve it, then they have to go back to where they were. So for example, if I'm on here on 10 plus 3 and I roll a 5, I would hop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I can solve 1 plus 7, then I get to stay on that piece. If I can't, then I'm gonna have to go back 5 to 10 plus 3. And then just for fun, I've added some move ahead 2s, go back to start, go to the end, move ahead 2. So you can make this and get as creative as possible. If you don't wanna have as many squares and you wanna make it a shorter game, you can do that as well. So it's really a really neat way to create your own game. So let me show you another one that's a bit more involved.
If you're looking for a really good creative outlet and you're looking for something that's going to take a little bit longer and just going to be really fun for you and your kiddos, you can make your own Monopoly board. So I actually got this off of a website and I kind of altered it to be something familiar for me. And so you can choose with your kiddos anything that you want to do. You can make it about your household. You can copy what I did and make it about Fernandez. Any way you like. You can create your own places. You can create your own corners. You can just get as creative as possible. And then I added these where chance and community property or whatever it is in Monopoly, I added addition or subtraction. And so if they land on these places, they would have to pull addition or subtraction fact that you could create, or you could just give them one. I didn't add any amounts for the Monopoly just because that's going to be based on what you decide as a family. If you want to just pull out regular Monopoly money, if you have that at your house, or you want to use coins and practice counting coins that we did a couple weeks ago, you can make it however you need to for your family. And so I just use this opportunity to be super creative. And so if you're looking for something that, you know, is super creative and a little bit up there for your kiddos, this is a great opportunity to do that. I'm going to take you through the game. If you want to I'll put a picture of this if you want to print this out and play it. But I just want to take you through some of the places that I created. And so obviously I have a go portion, and then I have Miss Shapiro's classroom, Miss Treadway, Miss Flores. I added all the first grade teachers. I have, instead of jail, Miss Southworth's office. And then I have Miss Harmon's classroom, and my classroom is Michael Best. And then I put their rotation specialist. I thought that would be cool for them to be able to buy. So this is Miss Maldonado's computer lab. Instead of a free parking, I added a go straight to go. I thought that would be a fun little twist on the game. And then I added rotation specialist, Coach Torres' PE class, Miss Rara's art class, Miss Lala's music class. This is the go to jail space. So I put the go to the principal's office space. And then I added some of our fun events that we have at Fernandez. So Caught You Reading, Field Day, Bulldog Day, and then a Go. And so I just wanted to show this as an option because it's a super fun strategy of practicing math facts. So if you try this way and you create your own Monopoly board, definitely, or if you create your own board like the last one I showed you, definitely send a picture to your teacher or directly to me, Miss Michael Buss, because I would love to see how creative that you got.